What you doing? What you doing?
It's something.
It's beautiful.
One right there. No, one right there.
Huh?
One right there. No, one right there.
Where?
There.
You having a motivation today? Come on. Nana, diabetes. Come on. He's gonna rip you. Oh, you playing fetch? Let me see. 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 Ow, stop.
No! Yeah.
No, what are you doing? Don't start with me. Don't start with me.
Mama. Look.
You can't have this. Mama, how you doing today?
I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I'm doing good.
I'm so tired. I think we had a long day today.
I know.
It may seem short, but it seems long. Your hair looks really good.
My hair look good?
Yeah, little do you know, earlier video, you'll see, I was singing you early happy birthday song in the video I did earlier. I'm like, happy birthday, Zay. Daddy's birthday coming up. You say happy birthday? Say happy birthday, Daddy. Come get me. Come get me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, ain't nobody tell you to come on. Ain't nobody tell you to come on. Ain't nobody tell you to come on. Ain't nobody. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go on somewhere. What you doing now? Chilling? Babe, you wanna walk around the block once? You wanna walk around the block once?
Oh, yeah, we can.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
What's up, dude? What's that?
Look at this beautiful, babe, look at this. It's kind of old, but look at the color.
Pass it. Pass it, Mama.
You want a yellow leaf?
I want to.
You want one too?
Yes.
Here you go.
Come on. Give it to Daddy. He loves it.
He loves it.
Yeah.
Daddy, you love it? She said she was gonna give you a leaf, Daddy, and you love it.
Here, Mama. Daddy.
Thank you. Babe, you see what I see? So pretty, huh? This dog is just so hyper, y'all. He loves being outside. Come on, girlies. Come on.
Catch him, Mommy. He's sleeping.
You sleeping?
Yes, I want one too. I want one. The bone.
people still has Halloween pumpkins. Oh my God.
Okay.
Come on, girl, walk.
Okay.
Walk. Walk. Walk.
That's you.
Stop saying that. Girl, why I gotta stop saying that? Look at Daddy and Loki. Oh, Daddy and Loki. That Daddy boy. Alright, y'all, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay positive, keep pushing forward, stay strong, and never give up. Subscribe. Till next time. Peace.